Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammed Asir. You're watching my channel Special Learning Point on YouTube. Today my topic is single-handed and double-handed English alphabets and sign language. Before starting, you are requested to subscribe my channel and share it to your near and dear friends and colleagues as maximum as you can. Okay, come to the topic now. These are the English alphabets and uppercase, and here are the English alphabets you are looking in lowercase. Okay, I am going to sign with the help of two hands. Let's start. A, A, B, G, D, E, F, G, H, H, E, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, 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 S, S, T, T, A, A, V, 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 Kas, Kas, Ya, Ya, Z, Z. Okay, I once again repeat these alphabets with words signs. A for apple, A for apple, B for butterfly, B for butterfly, K for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for gun, H for horse, I for import, import, J, J for jug, K, K for kite, La. La for lamp. Lamp. Ma. Ma for monkey. Na. Na for nose. O. O for onion. Ha. Ha for pigeon. Quaw. Quaw for Q. Q. Ra. Ra for rabbit. Sa. Sa for scissor. Ta. Ta for train. A. A for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W. W for watch. Guess. Guess for X-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for Z. Now come to the one-handed English alphabets. This is A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, 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 Ks, Ks, Y, Z. Okay, it's enough for today. Goodbye.